How are you, my sister?
Is this Uber for Sky?
Yes, it is. How are you, my sister?
Oh, my goodness, driver, forgive my manners. I forgot to greet you. I'm having a very tough time today.
No problem, it's fine. Are you going to town?
Yes, please, driver. I'm actually going to town because I'm having a second interview. I'm having a very hectic day today. What is the arrival time to town?
It shows 30 minutes.
Driver, can you drive fast and make it 15 minutes, please?
Jesus, this is not private jet, my sister. This is a car.
But
you must know also it's a traffic time.
Driver, but I need to be there on time because I have a job interview, driver.
My sister, I don't think you are qualified to get a job.
Driver, how can you say that to me? And why?
My sister, if you cannot manage timing for the job interview, can you manage to do the job?
Driver, you are very rude. You are very, very rude. How can you speak to your customer like that?
How can you tell a Uber driver like me your secrets? Is that my business to know where you were? What were you doing? Where you going to? What are you going to do there? Does that concern me?
Driver, please stop that. Just take me there. I'll show you the fastest route to get there, and I'll give you a nice tip.
So you don't want me to use the GPS?
Yes, driver, let's go.
Okay. But my sister, I also want to ask you a favor, ne? You see, I got your request. I was dropping someone around here. Then I said I can go to the garage and then come to fetch you later. And then I thought it's better I fetch you first, then we pass to the garage together. Can we pass by the garage? I put petrol, please.
Driver, how far are you going to drive now?
I think the petrol I have can make it. But the problem is traffic now, and you know it takes a lot of petrol.
No, driver, don't worry. I'll show you the back ways. Let's go.
Okay. It's okay, my sister. Since you can't bear with me, then let's go.
Yeah, let's go. I'll show you the back ways.
Okay,
let's go, driver.
No problem.
Driver, do you have a Bluetooth?
Yes, I do.
Can I connect? Because I need something to cool my head down, please.
You can connect, no problem.
Tonight, hold me tight. Sip tonight, hold me tight. Sip tonight.
Oh, sorry, driver. Sorry. But why did you stop the music? Huh? Play the music. We're not there yet. I need to enjoy. Huh? But driver, why did you stop the music? I want to come and sit here and then continue to enjoy.
My sister, look. See the fastest route you showed me. See your back ways.
Oh,
look.
Fish.
Look.
Oh my goodness. Driver, what are we gonna do now?
I don't know. I'm just following your back ways. I'm following your fastest routes.
Don't you have any other way?
Any
other way? Because I don't know.
I
didn't know the road is closed.
I don't know, my sister. I'm just following your maps, your bike ways.
Okay, let's follow your map then. Let's follow your map.
We follow my GPS? Okay, let me check. If you follow my GPS, it's gonna take 5 hours. It's gonna take 5 hours. 5 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Holy Ghost fire! Really?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, my sister, to be there in town.
Driver, what do you think? Should I make a call and say I can make it tomorrow?
My advice is maybe you make a call, ask them if you can come tomorrow by any chance. I think so. That's my advice.
Hello, it's Cadet speaking. I actually wanted to ask if I could make for the interview tomorrow in the morning because 5 minutes.
What happened?
That I need to be there in 5 minutes, driver.
No,
what do I do now?
You completely missed it.
Oh, goodness me.
Sorry, my sister. My sister, do you know any petrol station which is nearby?
I know, driver, I don't know. The one I knew was where we were going and the road is closed.
Let me search on the Google.
Yeah, please use Google, driver. I'm really having a hard time.
Okay. Let's drive then. It's quite far. I don't know if my petrol is gonna make it. It's quite far. But let's drive then.
Driver, what's happening now? What again?
My sister, petrol is finished now. Petrol is
hey.
finished. Now I think you need to push me now.
No, can't do.
From here to the garage, 2 minutes, only 2 minutes.
No, it's
please.
It is too much now. I am requesting another ride. I can't push you. I should have requested another ride. What is this? Driver?
Yes, my sister.
It's fine. I'm gonna push you. Can I come inside the car so we can
Yeah,
talk?
yeah, come. Wait. Okay, open.
So, driver,
Yes.
I'm gonna push you now. And then we will go look for the petrol. Then, from there, you will take me home, right?
Nope.
To my home.
Nope, I will drive you home. Don't worry, my sister.
Okay,
Don't
fine.
stress, yeah.
Let me push you.
Okay. Let's push forward.
Okay.
Yeah.
Forward that way.
Yeah, forward that way. Because it's...
So I'm gonna get off and push you.
Yes, you can leave your bags inside here.
Driver, I had such a very bad day today. Oh, my goodness.
My sister, you know what, ne? Let me show you something. I will show you something.